Hey, it's Scarlett. Welcome to another episode of Sweets with Scarlett, and also Disney with Scarlett. Today we're heading over to Disney Springs to the Sprinkles store. I want to try their new banana split cupcake. Let's take a look. Sometimes you use the Cupcake ATM, but I'm going in today. I've used the mobile order app. You can look online to see what their special is, or you can check it out in the store. Sprinkles has a beautiful store, but there's no indoor seating, so we're going to head out and find a nice place to eat. Before I forget, I'd like to remind you to sign up for the Perks program. It's a loyalty program, and you can earn points with every purchase for free cupcakes, ice cream, and cookies. Now let's get back to the cupcake. This cupcake is dipped in chocolate ganache and finished with nuts and a maraschino cherry. This is a banana split cupcake, so of course it's filled with banana cake. There's also marshmallow inside, and it's topped with strawberry frosting. It was absolutely delicious. You know my hashtag is Scarlett Suggests. So I suggest you take a trip to Disney Springs and stop in the Sprinkles store. Have you been there before? What's your favorite cupcake? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching today. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Also, be sure to hit the thumbs up button to show that you liked the video, and tap the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you're new, please subscribe or join me online. I'm at Scarlett Penford on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time.